Hello guys, welcome to Comex China. This is Elvis. By my side is a Model 130 meat grinder or meat mincer. This machine is for exporting to Europe. Now please follow my camera to know more details about this model. Thank you very much.
This is the 130 meat grinder. The whole machine is made of 304 food-grade stainless steel, safe and hygienic. Equipped with an 11 kilowatt man motor, it's powerful, processing 1 to 1.5 tons of fresh meat, frozen meat, and bone-in meat per hour, meeting different production needs. It supports replacing multi-size dies for various processing specifications. The meat grinding part has a quick-release design, making cleaning and maintenance easy. High-quality seals are used at the connections, and the control switch is waterproof for safer use. There's a safety grate on top to avoid accidental injury from misoperation. The screw inclination angle has been optimized many times, wear-resistant and more efficient. The body is made of thickened stainless steel plates and profiles, with thickened high-quality feet for stability. It has a reserved 3-phase power connection. Just wire it according to the labels after receiving the goods, and it can be used immediately. We specialize in various meat processing equipment. If you have related needs, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.
Hello.